Hello! Today we'll be adjusting our profile. So this is the Canvas profile. We've gone to our account and selected the profile tab. So right now I have it all pretty blank. If we want to adjust our profile, we click this button right here that says Edit Profile. Once you click the button, it will load up your editing tools. So there are a few things you can do to add to your profile. The first here is the image. If I were to select this pencil tool, a folder will come up that will give me some image options. I can upload a picture that I already have on my computer. I can take a picture. I can get a picture from Gravatar. And this will allow me to set a profile image that other people on Canvas would be able to see of me. Now, the Contact tab, you can put various things. Right here it says Message. You can put a message with a specified contact information if you were to click that. And then over here you could attach your Google Drive. These are two contact methods that you'd have visible to other Canvas users. Now scrolling down a little bit, we have our biography. Here we can type anything we like. I'm going to type I am Raul, a senior at UH. Alright, and then we have, you can enter pretty much anything you want in the biography tab. Just be aware that others on Canvas will be able to see it. And then for links, you can add a title, which will be what the link will be displayed as, and then the URL, which is the connection. So you'll have the title, and clicking that title will lead you to the URL, which will lead you to whatever web page you decide to link. And that is pretty much the basic structures of how you edit your profile to customize it to your own personal needs. And then you can just save it by clicking Save Profile.